Hey guys, welcome to Borneo Time, where we bring you the latest and the fruitiest news about Regrow Borneo. So we are on our way to Regrow site. By the way, how's everyone doing with the Sabah flood? I hope you're not too affected by it. Here in DGFC, we experience flooding too, so I hope the Regrow site is not too badly affected. But enough said, let's go and check it out. Yay guys, we made it. We're finally here. But it's flooded, unfortunately. Fortunately, the plant species that we planted here are flood resistant, like this one. If they were not flood resistant, the roots will die from the lack of oxygen. But don't worry, with the loving care from our Regrow team, these saplings will survive and grow and regreen Sabah again. Thanks for tuning in, and if this has inspired you, please click the link down below to help out Regrow Borneo. See you next week. Bye!